Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if this part has encountered error 2 parameter is incorrect. I am gonna show you guys hopefully resolve the problem. First thing, go to search menu and type file explorer. Open it. Go to this PC and right click on hardware you have problem with. Right click on it. Show more option, click on it, and you need to go to properties and go here tools tab over here, and error checking, the option will check the drive for file system errors. Check it. Scan drive, you can keep using the drive during the scan. If error are found, you can decide if you want to fix them. Click on it. Windows successfully scanned the drive. No errors were found. If there errors are found, you can fix that, guys. Close out of here and try this as well, guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Run as administrator. Click yes. Here you need to type sfc space slash scannow. Press enter. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Verification 1% need to get 100%, guys. After finishing this, go and restart your PC. You should good to go, guys. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful, guys. Thank you.